In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix missing colors on the Epson L6550.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson L6550, and today we will fix its missing color problem. Now I will print a nozzle check so you can clearly see the color problem on this Epson L6550. I recommend that you always run a nozzle check first because it shows exactly which colors are missing or weak. As you can see here, the pattern is not complete and some color lines are broken. This confirms that the printer needs a proper cleaning cycle. On the Epson L6550, open the Settings menu and go to the Maintenance section. Here you will find two options for fixing missing colors: head cleaning and power cleaning. Always start with a normal head cleaning because it is the safer method and usually solves light color issues. If the colors are still missing after 1 or 2 head cleanings, then you can perform a single power cleaning. Please keep in mind that after doing a power cleaning, the printer should rest for at least 24 hours. Now I will run a standard head cleaning, and we need to wait about 2 minutes for the process to complete. After the cleaning is finished, the printer will ask you to print another nozzle check to confirm the result. Select Yes so the test page can be printed, and you will clearly see if the colors have improved after the cleaning. The nozzle check has now printed, and as you can see, our Epson L6550 is printing perfectly again. If your printer still shows missing colors, try performing 1 or 2 more head cleanings with a 10-minute break between each. If the problem persists, you can run a single power cleaning and then leave the printer off for 24 hours before using it again. Following these steps will help ensure your printer prints vibrant and accurate colors every time.